Hello friends, I am here with 15 multiple choice questions on current affairs which are related to environmental affairs and important for coming BPSC exam. Question number 1. Which institute developed a novel heterostructure catalyst to enhance green hydrogen production? A. Indian Institute of Science, IISc, Bengaluru. B. Institute of Nanoscience and Technology, INST, Mohali. C. Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi. And D. Bhabha Atomic Research Center, Bharat. Answer is B. Institute of Nanoscience and Technology, that is INST. Researchers at INST, Mohali, engineered a heterostructure combining copper, tungsten oxide and copper oxide to significantly improve the hydrogen evolution reaction, which is known as HER, a key step in green hydrogen production. Question number 2. Where is Ukai Dam constructed? A. Tapti River. B. Krishna River. C. Kaveri River. D. Narmada River. Answer is A. Tapti River. Ukai Dam is built on the Tapti River and is known as the second largest reservoir in Gujarat. Recently, authorities released 1.19 lakh cubic of water after heavy rainfall, pushing levels close to the danger mark. Question number 3. Which was the 2025 World Environment Day theme and who hosted it? Time for Nature, Colombia. B. Ecosystem. C. Restoration, Pakistan. C. Ending plastic pollution, South Korea. D. Land restoration, India. Answer is C. Ending plastic pollution, South Korea. In 2025, South Korea hosted World Environment Day under the theme Ending Plastic Pollution, focusing global efforts on reducing plastic waste. Question number 4. Which country created a COP33 cell for hosting the 2028 UN Climate Summit? A. Germany. B. Russia. C. India. D. Brazil. Answer is C. India. India established a COP33 cell in preparation for hosting the 2028 UN Climate Summit. Question number 5. What did the International Court of Justice ICJ state in its 2025 advisory opinion on climate change? A. Only Paris Agreement parties are responsible for climate harm. B. Climate treaties replace customary international law. The states have a duty to prevent significant environmental harm. D. Climate impacts are solely national matters. Answer is C. States have a duty to prevent significant environmental harm. The ICJ unanimously affirmed that treaties like Paris Agreement don't override general obligations. States bear responsibility if their actions or omissions cause significant environmental damage. Question number 6. Which international legislative effort is underway in the UK to integrate climate and biodiversity considerations? A. Climate Emergency Act. B. Nature Only Bill. C. Climate and Nature Bill. D. Ecological Responsibility Act. Answer is C. Climate and Nature Bill. The Climate and Nature Bill now before the UK Parliament mandates integrated climate and biodiversity targets, the establishment of a climate and nature assembly, and coordination among advisory bodies.